What is up, y'all, and welcome back to Qui Nichelle. We're on the channel. Y'all know we talk about fashion, beauty, and life. And y'all, today, this is like a closet clean out, if you will. Before we get into the video, make sure that you do like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, make sure you tell a friend to tell a friend about Qui Nichelle, because you know how we do on the channel. Now, y'all, excuse me, my beauty room, it's not really a mess, but it is a little bit. And that's because I want to redecorate my room. Like I want to change the layout and all of that. But I feel like I need to go through both closets, the one in my content room and the one in my bedroom, to figure out what I want to keep and what I want to get rid of. And I feel like I already done that before, but y'all, I'm like drowning in clothes and shoes and stuff like that, which that's a good problem to a degree, because it is, it could be worse. I could say that. And I've always wanted like a lot of clothes, a lot of shoes, a lot of purses. I always been a girly girl, so I always wanted like the things that I have now. But I haven't worn some of this stuff, and I know they say if you ain't worn it in like a year, then you probably need to get rid of it. And that's probably true, y'all. That's probably true. But I want to redo my room. And y'all, if any of y'all out there are like good organizers or anything like that, give me some like ideas in the comment section or whatever. I've been on TikTok and Pinterest looking up like closet ideas, even though this is like a room. This is like my closet, content room, beauty room, whatever you want to call it, all in one. So I really want to redo it. I think the layout is really good, and I'm going to show y'all the layout of the room. But I want my shoes like out of the closet. As y'all can see, let me turn the camera so y'all can see, like I got shoes there, clothes, and I got shoes all at the bottom. That is the same way my closet looks in my bedroom. Shoes at the top, shoes at the bottom, and clothes and stuff like that. So I think I'm gonna go through all of the clothes and really the shoes, because the shoes is what I want out, like in the room. I don't want to have to like look in the box. I kind of want to throw away all the boxes and, you know, just have the shoes where I can kind of just grab them. Y'all get where I'm going with it. So I'm gonna show y'all what I did across the room. Hold on. Okay, so, and y'all see my setup. But anyway, so if we look here, y'all see how I got the shoes like that. I really want like all of my shoes some kind of way on a whole bookshelf, because this is a bookshelf that I got at Walmart. Y'all see I got purses up there, and then all the way down it's like clothes and stuff like that. This is the floor right now, so it's a mess in here. Then it's clothes in that what you call it, that bench. That's a storage bench. It's clothes in there. Y'all, I just want to go through all of this stuff. That's most of my like little plaid shirts. Y'all see what it is, but that's mostly how I have those hanging up. Then of course y'all know this is like where I record and put the clothes up that I'm gonna be doing. I got shoes behind that closet door. I got shoes right there, shoes all under here. So y'all, it's real. And I just want to go through all of this stuff and get it like, y'all look crooked to me. Okay, so I want to go through all of this stuff and get rid of some stuff that I don't wear. And y'all, I think I need to put myself on like a whole spending restriction for like a whole year at minimum, literally. But I think I really did good so far. We already in August, and y'all only got one Shein haul from me. And then I'm gonna give y'all a Fashion Nova haul, and then that's it. I'm not gonna buy nothing else, because y'all, I literally have clothes that I don't wear, and I just need to like purge, if that's what, you know, because really I'm not like a pack rat or anything. Y'all know, like, I'm like a minimalist. Like, even in my house, I don't have a lot of decoration This is a little razzle dazzle on the wall, and then a couple of other little pictures that I have up in my content room. That's okay to me, but like I don't have a whole lot of pictures all through the house. Y'all know that. I don't really like all of that. I like open, and I'm starting to feel swallowed up in this room, like literally swallowed up. I have given away bags and bags of like clothes to like these women's shelters where it's like domestic violence victims or like homeless ladies and stuff like that. I always do that. That's a normal thing for me. But I've given away like trash bags to like, I think it's been like 2 or 3 different agencies since last year. I always do that. And that's because sometimes, you know, some people have to leave with the clothes that's on their back. You know, some people don't have, you know, money to buy like a dressier outfit if they need to go on like an interview, or maybe, you know, wherever they're going, they may need decent clothes, not street clothes. Y'all get where I'm going with it. And then some people literally just don't have anything and just need a fresh start. So that's like near and dear to my heart. I will always give. I don't take like a tax write-off or nothing like that, which I could, but I don't, just because of the reason I'm doing the giving and the situations the people are in that's in those places. But that's just something, you know, that I probably would do forever, and I've been doing it for many years. So yeah, that's just that. But y'all, I'm gonna show y'all like and I'm gonna stand in the corner so y'all can see like the room. Hold on. Okay, there it's smaller. Y'all can see. So this is like the setup of the room. And that little cart over there, y'all know that's where I do my hair and stuff like that. And then I'm gonna come around so y'all can see. Y'all see my setup. So I stand like here and y'all look at the ring light and have the camera on that other tripod that's over there. But I want to get like maybe 2 or 3 more of these bookshelves, because I want all of my shoes out so I could just literally go to the shoes and grab them just like some of my purses. But I'm thinking about like this wall, because it's the biggest wall, taking these 2 pictures down and moving those 2 racks. And let me come back so y'all can see. Okay. And putting like 3 of the tall bookshelves. Putting like 3 of the tall bookshelves right there. And then, yeah. But I know I got to go through the clothes to see what I want or what I don't want. I'm thinking about having a yard sale as well. Never had a yard sale before, but I'm thinking about doing it. Then I thought about going to Play-Doh's, but I think they said Play-Doh's like to play too much, so I really don't know. Never sold anything to Play-Doh's. So I don't know, y'all, but I need to declutter. And then I think I can see what I'm working with or whatever. But I got a lot of stuff, and I like a lot of stuff, but it's too much. So y'all let me know down in the comments what y'all think about the room, like decluttering and all of that. That's really what I'm finna do. I might record me doing, like going through some of my shoes or whatever. But that's like the project that I'm doing right now, y'all. But I'll see y'all in the next video when I'm pulling like some of these shoes and stuff out to see what I want to part ways with, and these clothes and stuff like that. So if y'all got any tips, let me know down in the comments. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend about Qui Nichelle. And y'all already know, honey, we are out.